If you're looking for dogs' muzzles, here's a collection you've got to see. Pet Lover Channel. Top 10 Dogs' Muzzles Products. Number 1, by Ewinever. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Niteangel. Number 3, by the Company of Animals. For more details about these dogs' muzzles products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Downtown Pet Supply. Number 5, by FOMATE. Find these dogs' muzzles at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Barkless. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Downtown Pet Supply. Number 9, by Pet Edge Dealer Services. Discover more dogs' muzzles ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Big Smile Paw.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.